Court is calling 2022 CR 3009 State versus Valerie Herrera Medina. Can I have parties announced?
Lauren Espinoza for the state.
Ninfa Gallegos Carrillo from West Medina.
And are you Miss Medina? Counsel, have you received all discovery? Did you review it with your client?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Miss Medina, did you review the application for community supervision with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it? Did you review the true bill of indictment with your attorney? Did you understand it? You're gonna need to speak up so the court report can. Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
We do, Your Honor.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
Yes, Your Honor.
I thought they were going to do on count 1 and not count 2.
Sorry. We're proceeding on count 1, Judge, waiving count 2.
Any objection?
No, Your Honor.
All right. Did you review the court admonishments with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places? You're charged with possession of a controlled substance, penalty group 1 gram to 4 grams. That's a third-degree felony. The range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 10 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine. If you have a plea with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Do you understand? You have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call, and the right to remain silent. Did you understand by entering this plea, you're giving up those rights?
Yes.
And did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case?
Yes.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you believe she has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against her?
I believe so, Your Honor.
Do you believe she's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
In my opinion, she is competent, Your Honor.
Ms. Medina, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter the plea?
No, Your Honor.
Anyone promised you anything other than the plea? Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented? If you're not a U.S. citizen by entering this plea, you will be deported, denied naturalization, and re-entry. Did you understand?
Yes.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived her right to jury trial. Did you review the plea bargain page with your attorney? Did you understand it? According to the plea, punishment is to be assessed at 2 years in the prison. There's a $1,000 fine. The state recommends community supervision. Did you understand that to be the plea? Defense, is that the plea?
Yes, Your Honor.
State, is that the plea?
Yes, Judge.
Did you review the waiver of appeal paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it? In both places?
Yes.
By signing that you're waiving your right to appeal, the only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes.
Counsel, have there been any such motions?
No, Your Honor.
Outside the agreement, the state is recommending that your community supervision be for a term of 2 years. There'll be a TAP evaluation, 150 hours community service restitution, the DOEP course, random UAs. Did you understand those are recommendations from the state, and the court does not have to follow those recommendations? Then to the offense in count 1, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest? State, any evidence?
Take out for State's Exhibit 1 and all attachments.
No objection, Your Honor.
All right, did you review the waiver and stipulations with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, Your Honor.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call, and the right to remain silent? Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports, but most importantly, there'll be no live testimony? Did you understand? Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence State's Exhibits 1 and attachments, and the court will review the same. After reviewing State's Exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and the court will find you guilty. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, Your Honor.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
Your Honor, my client just wishes, because this is a very old case, and it's been a while since this occurred. So she just wants to be able to be on probation and prove to this court that this is not going to happen again.
All right. So do you live by yourself? I'm sorry? All right. And what is your fiance's name? Is that Edward Garcia? All right. If you're drug tested today, what will the results be? And know that you are going to get drug tested today. So what are the results? All right. I'm going to have you drug tested today.
I asked her the same question earlier, Your Honor, and several times. She did say she will be clean, so.
All right. I'm going to have her take her UA today. If the UA is
Okay.
positive, she's going to end up doing a TAP evaluation in custody.
Yes, Your Honor.
So you still want to say that you're going to be clean? I need to hear a yes or no. So is there any, so you're not going to have any marijuana in your system? Is that correct? Are you going to have marijuana in your system? Meth in your system? Heroin in your system? All right. You're going to be UA today. Court is going to order 2 years in the prison, suspended and probated for 2 years, regular random UAs, proof of employment within 45 days of release, no employment as a home health care provider or with minors, regular reporting by Zoom or in person. There's to be a UA today. If positive, then you're to come back and there's going to be a TAP evaluation in custody if positive. If negative, there'll be a TAP evaluation out of custody. Follow results. Field visits 1 time per month until further notice. 150 hours of community service restitution. I'm going to order the DOEP course. Once that's done, 50 of the community service hours will be deemed satisfied. The remaining community service hours will be satisfied with a deduction of 1 hour for every sober support meeting completed. Do you have any minors who reside in your household? No residing with minors. And no unsupervised contact with minors. Probation, is there anything else? Is there anything else you need from the court in order to be successful? All right, did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it? All right, because this is plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what that is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand?
Yes.
All right. In this court, to be successful on probation, communication is key. If there's an issue and you feel as though the probation officer is not addressing it, you can always come back to court and address it with me. Do you understand? All right, good luck to you. Ms. Abrams.